Good evening everyone, welcome to our online English tutorial, Day 12. Alamin naman natin yung pagkakaiba ng dalawang words na to, beloved versus beloved. So may dalawang pamamaraan ng pagbigkas dito sa dalawang words na to at depende ito sa context. So if we're going to use this word as a noun, meaning someone you love or you're romantically involved with, yung kanyang pronunciation ay beloved. Example, who's your beloved? And if gagamitan naman natin siya as adjective before a noun, ang ibig sabihin niya is much loved. So same pronunciation nung kanina, beloved pa rin. Example, where is my beloved husband? Pero kung gagamitan natin siya as adjective followed by the prepositions by or of, maiiba yung kanyang pronunciation. Magiging beloved na siya. Example ng sentences na gumagamit ng word na beloved ay, those hills are beloved by the hikers. Again, if it's used as a noun or adjective before a noun, beloved. But if it's used as adjective before the prepositions, beloved.